Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about contents coverage. What we're talking about is like commercial building. You see, you might be able to cover the building, but what about the things in the store? What about the things on the shelf? How do you protect those things when it comes to flood insurance? Well, today, that's what we're going to talk a little bit about. You see, all the time we hear from people, hey, I don't really need building coverage. I need contents. I need to cover my inventory. What if I lose a bunch of this inventory? It could really break me. So what are your options on flood insurance when it comes to a particular policy like this? If you're going through the National Flood Insurance Program, you very likely will have to have an elevation certificate if it's a post-firm structure and it's in a special flood hazard area. That's flood zone A or really V. Anything that begins with those two letters and is a post-firm structure. Remember, this is built after the first flood map. So what about on the private side? Do you have to have an elevation certificate? Now you may in some situations, but the benefit is here, a lot of times you can get a lot more inventory coverage on a private flood policy than you might be able to on a National Flood Insurance Program policy. You might be able to get $500,000 in inventory coverage and maybe only $10,000 of building coverage or no building coverage. It just depends. So it's really important to understand this because we hear from business owners all the day that can't close on loans because they can't find reasonable options for protecting their inventory against flood. So whether it's snacks that you're covering, whether it's frozen foods that you're covering, you want to make sure that both of these are covered the right way for you. So if you've got questions about how to cover these the right way, maybe you've been declined, then make sure to visit our website, Flood Insurance Guru, where we do these daily flood education videos. You can also check out our YouTube channel where we do these daily flood education videos. Remember, we have an educational background on flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.